Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nila's video. In this video, I will explain about Australia, one of the largest country in the world. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nilan Imatunafi, my ID is 003, and I'm from Cross Cultural Understanding TPI 6A class. Then, in this video, I will tell you 7 main topics. There are Australia, the ethnics, the languages, cultural, food, habit, and do and done. Okay, let's start. Do you know what is Australia? Australia is the largest country by area in Oceania and the world's sixth largest country. Australia is the oldest, flattest, and driest inhabited continent with the least fertile soils. Australia is a country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. Then, do you know the ethnics in Australia? Australia consists of two distinct groups, which include many ethnic groups. There are Aboriginal Australians that lived on the mainland and many islands, including Tasmania, and then Torres Strait Islanders of the seas between Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Then languages. There are three main languages used in Australia. First is Australian English. Australians have their unique slang and phrases. If you want to sound like an Aussie, get familiar with words like good day means hello, plug means man, and barbie means barbecue. Number 2 is Australian Aboriginal English. And number 3, or the last, is Torres Strait English. Then I will practice each language. Good day guys, welcome to my video. That goes with the story. It's stereotype typical question. Culture. There are several cultures in Australia, such as art. Australia has a tradition of Aboriginal art that is thousands of years old, the best known forms being Australian rock art and park painting. This picture is an example of Australian art, named Queyon rock paintings in the Kimberley region of Western. Then, music and dance. Music and dance have formed an integral part of social, cultural, and ceremonial observances of people through the millennia of the individual and collective history of Australian indigenous peoples to the present day. This picture is an example of Australian music and dance. This is didgeridoo player Nalkan Menungur performing with East Journey and Aboriginal dancers in 1981. I will explain 3 traditional foods in Australia. First is chicken parmigiana. This classic Aussie chicken dish with roots in Italian American cooking is a staple offering at many pub menus in the country. Then, barbecued snacks, also known as sausages. It's not surprised that Aussies love the grill, and nothing is more important to be a good barbie than a decent sausage. And the last is lamingtons. What is lamington? Lamington is recognized as the national cake of the Australia, after the National Trust of Queensland voted this sweet treat an Australian icon. Then habit. Aussies tend to be casual and relaxed and are not very big on formal greetings. When meeting for the first time, generally Australians shake hands, smile, and introduce themselves with their first name. Nila. They also love their laid-back lifestyle and take their time with family and friends very seriously. Picnic, family barbecues, parties, and day at the beach and gathering at the park are all essential to the Australian way of life. This is the things you should do and shouldn't do when visit in Australia. The two. 1. Giving and exchanging gifts with family, friends, neighbor, and workmates on birthday and Christmas. And when you have been invited to someone's home for a meal, it is polite to bring a bottle of wine or a box of chocolates for the host. And this is the thing you shouldn't do in Australia. First, let to come by more than 15 minutes, and you didn't contact and inform your host if you come late. That's all from me. Thank you. Hope it gave you a new knowledge about country, especially Australia. So when you visit this country, you can adapt with the situation. See you in another video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.